Hey guys, and welcome again to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution and I'm really grateful for you being here. So in today's video I want to talk about my website and how I managed to build a membership only part for it and how much money I managed to earn so far from this section of my site. So if you are familiar with my site, it is coderevolution.ro. I will link it in this video's description, and the membership part for it are these posts. So I have a list of exclusive posts which are member only. So if we open a new incognito window and let's say go to this premium post and open it in the incognito window where I will be not logged in to my site, we will see that it is locked, the content is locked, and it requires username, password, and access to it. So you will get access to it, and the logged in section will be like this. Okay, so people are able to go to my site, check these premium posts, and acquire a membership from the site to be able to view these posts. And also if we check the join the site section, we will see that there will be free programs. Let's say the 1 month, 3 months, and 12 months. For 1 month I set $6, 3 months $16, and 12 months $60. So these are the sections. There are some additional benefits for joining the site. I will link this link in this video's description. You can check and go ahead and check it. So now let me show you how this membership section is built. It is built using the Ultimate Membership Pro plugin. So this is it. This is its dashboard, and you will see that I earned so far $242 from it. So these are the total number of transactions that were made so far using this plugin, and all the members which paid so far are totaling this amount of money. So I consider that I already made some money with it, but I still want to grow the revenue from this site, and I still want to earn more by providing value to customers. So here are my free plans. So 1 month $6, 16, and 60, 3 and 12 months. And here are my posts. You can see that I already have 3 posts as scheduled. These are member only posts, and I try to write interesting subjects on interesting subjects and long articles that provide value to customers who pay for this premium content. So this is a member only post. You can see that it has premium content in it, and yeah, in the future I think about making a video where I will show you guys how I configure the Ultimate Membership Pro plugin to create a similar member only website, which has also a part which has member only functionality and which will earn you money. So let me know what you think about this idea, and I will be glad to provide this tutorial for you guys in the near future. So yeah, I think this is all for this video, because this is what I wanted to show you now, how I managed to build this site, which plugin I used. Don't forget, I link in this video's description also the memberships part of my site and also the Ultimate Membership Pro plugin, because this is the one I used to build my site, and you will find its link in this video's description. So yeah, this is all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I will try to provide useful content for you guys also in the future on this channel. And hit also the bell notification because I release a new video each day at 8 p.m. GMT. So stay subscribed and let me know if you have any more ideas for me to make videos on. And thank you for staying until the end of the video, and have a great day. Stay safe. Bye bye.